I get a job in R&D if I discontinue BTech? Actually, now in these days, the need for certificates, okay, is getting reduced. Okay, so let's say you have one person, okay, who is from college, who did all his graduation, all those things, okay, and you have another person, okay, as you said, he discontinued, okay, he has a long nose. So he discontinued. So, but what he did is he got some interest in some development, and he created some applications which he wants to experiment. So he created some applications, some software, some websites, and all those things he was exploring. So as he was exploring, like by end of the 4 years, okay, this person has done all the BTech. This guy stopped doing BTech and he did all the different experiments, learning apps, and tried to build something. So now they came up to you. You are the boss of a company. You are the boss of a company. Okay. So you want to hire. This is what do we call standard STD standard and outside. Let's say outsider. I'll say outsider. S or O. Okay. So now this is the case. You are the boss. You are the boss. Okay. So now you have to select one person for developing your software. You have a software company and you want someone to develop. So now the question is, will you select standard or outsider? Can you type in the chat? I'll just put it. Where is the chat? Yes. You type in the chat. I'll just see what people say. So if you are the owner of the company, whom will you hire? Outsider, outsider, outsider. Anyone for insider? No, right? So the reason is it may outsider for projects and standard for handling clients. This is a good businessman, Sai Kumar Gaud. Okay. So yes. So some clients, when you go with the clients, you have clients and all. What they expect is, okay, your employees should be have some graduates or something. Some clients will have some requirements. So he will be handling the clients and he will be developing the applications. But at the end of the day, if in a long term, if he want to keep continuing developing softwares, you will select this guy. Okay. So the important message, what I want to say is, like, I am not saying everyone stop doing BTech. Okay. But try to balance okay, between your studies and software development. You have to see at the end of the day, after doing BTech, anything, if you want to come into software development, make sure you put some effort in developing software. That will give you a lot of advantage. The 4 years period of software, the 4 years is very best time to experiment all the things. Okay. If you keep on experimenting, you'll get to know a lot of things. Okay. So Sisir, for you, I would suggest to go with your interest. Let's say you are interested in creating memes. Okay. You're interested in creating memes. So try to create a small software which can automatically generate memes for you. Okay. Try to experiment with that, or take some example, or try to create a mobile app, or you take some photos and you create a meme. Okay. So that's what you need to work on. Try to create some software which will be you like to do, which you want to have for your own. Okay. If you need any direction in getting your ideas, so from your ideas to reality of developing apps, okay. If you want to know, okay, what are the steps I need to do? Okay, what are the steps I need to do in order to complete this? We can actually give you the clear guidance. Okay, you need to do these things so that you can get at least to some shape of these apps. Okay, so so it's not about just jobs. It's you'll get into R&D. See, R&D companies means which really work on bigger problems and you have bigger things to do. Okay, so you can get into R&D. And from my knowledge, when I'm working in Microsoft, there was a lawyer working in a team. He did not study computer science, but he does software development. Okay, so he's a lawyer. So it doesn't matter whether you have done BTech or not. It really matters, are you capable of doing this? Okay, once you're capable of doing some set of things, you'll be able to what is it? You'll be able to become perfect for software developments. So now, sorry.